Yo, what is up, everyone? If you are looking to jump into the world of crypto trading, you've probably realized that Bybit is one of the top tier platforms out there right now. To get us moving, go ahead and peek at the See More section in the description, or just check the very first comment below this video. If you sign up through that specific link, you're going to score a 55% fee discount. Go ahead and proceed with the sign up by using either your primary email or your mobile phone number. Once you've keyed in your ID, you'll need to write your password just below it. Set that password to be at least 8 characters long, and you've got to include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number to keep it secure. If you used my link, you'll see the referral code is already automatically filled in. If for some reason it's empty, just go ahead and enter EN111 right there. Give the terms and conditions agreement a quick check and click. Get my welcome gifts. Next, just drag that puzzle piece over to the blank space. Easy, right? Then a 6-digit verification code is going to fly straight to the email you just provided. Grab that code, enter it here, and boom, membership registration is officially complete. Now, from here on out, we need to handle the KYC identity verification. You really want to do this so you can unlock the full power and features of the exchange. Go ahead and click that big yellow Get Verified Now button. First things first, just double check that your country is selected correctly in the menu. Then select the checkbox below and hit Confirm. Now, you'll need to select the type of ID you're going to use, like a license or passport, and just scan through the tips for taking a solid photo of the ID. Once you're ready, click Proceed. Now, a little pro tip. ID photography isn't really supported on a standard PC, so select Continue on Phone to pop up a QR code. Just scan that QR code with your phone camera, and you can jump right to the next step on your mobile device. Click Continue. Read over the photo precautions and move to the next screen. Click Continue. Just align your ID card so it fits perfectly within that frame on your screen and snap the photo. Next up is the facial recording. Click Continue. After a quick moment, when you head back to your PC screen, you'll see that sweet verified mark confirming you're good to go. Next up, we've got to talk about security, specifically your two-factor authentication. Look, if you want to move or transfer funds out of Bybit, this two-step verification is strictly required, so it's better to just knock it out now. You're going to need the Google Authenticator app for this, so go ahead and download that from the App Store real quick if you don't have it. Now, let's follow along from the main dashboard. Click your profile icon to head over to the Account section and then click Security. Find the Settings button right next to Google 2FA Authenticator and give it a click. You'll need to enter one more 6-digit code from your email to verify it's you. Now, open up that Google Authenticator app on your phone, hit the Add a Code button, and select Scan a QR code. Scan the code on your monitor, and a fresh 6-digit OTP code for Bybit will appear on your phone screen. Just write that code here on the site and hit Confirm. That wraps up our guide on how to get started with Bybit. If this walkthrough was helpful for you today, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next video.